Hello everybody and welcome. This is Enrico from Conductive Music. We are here in Cyprus at the European University and we are preparing a new chapter for our robotic orchestra. We're going to perform on Thursday at the Old Market at 7 p.m. So if you are in Nicosia, we're more than happy to welcome you. Otherwise, we'll see you in Havering in East London for the whole of next week. Let's see how this works. So this is our score reader. Our designer Yui Shikakura has just put it together using things that we found here in Nicosia, like the fantastic Cypriot coffee, the unmissable kale beer, and some amazing statues that we found at the Cyprus Museum, and the cactus. So this one you'll see in a moment will work through this potentiometer with which you can change the pitch. Got a little speaker here. And this massive structure instead is our take on the percussion for this robotic orchestra. It's all made of straws based on the Quirk bot, and when these straws touches the top and the bottom, you have different sounds coming through. So this changes the speed. Let's switch it on.